Hey guys, me Jason. I'm back with another video. In today's video, we're gonna be changing out the stock cowl filters and replacing them with these Burger Motorsport cowl filters. So let's get to it. So this is the stock cowl filter that we're gonna be deleting and replacing with these ones. So if you have a N54 or ever worked on an N54, you know how annoying it could be to have to remove this and put it back every time you work on literally, or pretty much everything. Anytime you work on a car, you have to like remove it and then put it back together. So this will just save you the time and effort that it takes to take out the stock cowl filter. So in my car, I'm actually missing a lot of like the bolts and yeah, like a lot of the bolts and clamps that you usually have on your cowl filters. So it's kind of easier to take mine off since I don't have to worry about a lot of the screws. So I don't have this screw. I know some cars have the cap that goes over here to cover all of this. I took this one off, so that one's off. It's pretty easy, just two little like clips that you have to move out, and it has one on the other side. So after that is just removing all the bolts, because you're supposed to have like bolt here, bolt on the other side, same place, but I don't have them, so mine's actually loose, so I don't have to worry about those. Basically all I have to really do is move this and the same one on the other side. I'm supposed to have clips over here, some screws over here too, but as you can see I don't have them. But yeah, just worry about getting all the bolts out, and if you want to keep them for if you ever want to put the stock one back on, just keep your screws in a well-kept place where you won't lose them. And I just want to point out that these screws that come on the stock cowl filter, you're going to want to keep these. All the other ones you don't really need to worry about, but these ones you're going to have to reuse for the Burger Motorsports one. They don't provide any screws, so you're going to use the stock ones. So just make sure you have them. As I said before, I don't actually have the inside ones, so I'm gonna just see if I have any laying around that could fit. So after taking the screws off, you basically just lift and oh wow, these were dirty. Yeah, don't let yours get like this. And after you're done pulling the whole cowl filter out, it should look something like this. And then as you can see, you have the two open like slots for the new cowl filters, and that's where you'll be putting them in. And then putting them on, there's only one way to put them on. I don't know if you guys can tell, but here the inside is slightly smaller than the outside. So these filters have a smaller end and then they get slightly bigger going outside. So on this side, the inside smaller, going bigger towards the outside, and on the other side it's going to be the same way. It's going to be smaller end to the bigger end, and these should fit properly. So this side is slightly smaller, so they're going to go in like this, and just like that they're installed. And if you're like me and you don't have the inside bolt, you're fine. They seal really good. It's like a rubber gasket, so you shouldn't have a problem with anything. And with this thing that's just hanging, I'm honestly probably just gonna zip tie them to this like metal bar. So I'm gonna just zip tie right here and right there, just so that it's out of the way and it's not touching my fuel lines or anything else. But yeah, that's basically it. But yeah, that was a quick how to replace your cowl filter with the Burger Motorsport cowl filters. So if you guys did enjoy the video, or if it was helpful in any way, I would appreciate if you dropped a like and subscribe to my channel. And please comment anything you guys would like to see me do onto the 335, because I have a lot planned for it. So yeah, hopefully you guys stick around. Thank you.